Alright, we're here to show you how to actually install a pair of ESI grips. We're going to install those onto the handlebar. You're going to need the grip, you need rubbing alcohol, and you'll need a towel. So put the towel where you can get to it. Take the rubbing alcohol on your grip, put your finger in the end, get it all wet inside. Then you're going to pour the residual on the bar. You're going to pull from the opposite side of the bike, holding this on your body. As you go, put your hand under the end. Keep pulling, and if you need to, grab a rag. That's on.